Service interval warning reset in a Toyota Auris. This is a D4D diesel model and it is a 2010, and I'm going to show you how to reset that now. Okay, so first of all, the interval display isn't up at the moment. The customer decided to get this serviced early, but I can show you the process and what you need to do to reset it to make sure that they all line up. First of all, we'll start with the ignition off. You put the ignition on and see this trip B. I'll light that up a bit here. If you can see down there, it's on trip B. This is the odometer button you want to press. You want to make sure that it is set to trip B. Then flick the ignition off, push and hold this button in here, and then flick the ignition back on again. And when you do that, you can see them little bars appearing there. When they go down to zeros, you can see that the oil data has been reset. So that is it. That is how you reset the service interval warning in a Toyota Auris. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. I also have just posted how to replace the fuel filter on this particular model as well, and I'll link that in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.